In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to display the most commented posts in WordPress. Highlighting your most commented post helps your visitors find your best content, increase page views, and boost website engagement. To do this, we're going to add a piece of code in the theme files. In your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Theme Editor. Then click on Functions.php. And scroll to the bottom of the code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case something happens. That way you can restore the backup. Paste this piece of code here. Then click on Update File. Once the file is updated, we'll use a shortcode to display the most commented posts. I'm going to display it in my sidebar. So I'll just click on Widgets under Appearance. And now just drag and drop the text widget on the sidebar. Let's give this widget a title. And add this shortcode here. You can use this shortcode to display your most commented posts on a page or a post too. Then click on Save. And then click on Done. And now if I go to my site and reload it, you can see that my most commented posts are displayed here with the number of comments on the post. This is how you can display your most commented posts in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.